shouting your name. Turn up the collar and walk away. Feels like
Hey y'all, welcome back, or welcome if you're new to another extreme clean with me. So my cabinets are a turd today. We're gonna fix those. Also, if you're new here, I like to call my subscribers my spuds because you're more than subscribers to me. So if you do subscribe, you are now a spud. Okay. I love potatoes. Anyways, I'm going to clean up these cabinets and then we are going to move on to doing the dishes and getting our floors clean. But I've got some jam-packed upbeat music in this video for y'all. So I'm going to try not to talk my head off today and let you get motivated by the music and the cleaning you see. Also the things I find in boxes of crackers. You would not believe. We don't even have children. We just act like children ourselves. Oh, wait. Okay, let's get into this.
don't let them sell you all of their dirt. It all will come back once the tables turn. Bolder, go bolder. Now set your sails on high. And you're stronger, much stronger than they will ever be. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say, and we'll shout it out louder.
So, I wanted to show y'all that I got this awesome macrame hanging plant potter. I am so excited. Thank you so much, Lena, for sending me this. You're the best. I cannot thank you enough. And let's get back to the cleaning. But I had to share that with y'all because I am super excited to use that. Now I just need to find a plant to put inside of it.
On shining, you're perfect as you are, just the way you are. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the
Y'all, that milk had been sitting on our counters for like 2 days now. Also, I was making a sad face because I organized my little pantry cabinets, whatever you want to call them, and then I didn't have enough room to put my coffee in there. So I'm like, well, where is it going to go? Oh well, I don't care. Folgers, you can be displayed on my counters. That's fine.
You got me tripping. Ever since I saw you, I went slipping. Didn't even know you. Couldn't even.
So if you are curious, I was listening to positive, like meditative music because I like to meditate. And I sit on the floor for about 30 minutes when I get up in the morning, and then I do a little bit of yoga, believe it or not. AKA my form of yoga is just stretching my legs and my back. So I'm not stiff as a board when I'm trying to do these cleaning videos for y'all. But my dishes were disgusting today, but I thought I'd have fun and kind of dance with them. Also exciting news, I have some herbs popping up, which you will hear about in just a second.
You do me. You got me reckless. Got me reckless. When you say all the things you say to me.
I have mustard seeds popping up. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at my babies. It's mustard. It's not focusing, but I have 3 mustards. I'm so excited. I've never had mustard before.
Got me breathless when you do all the things you do to me. You got me
so random, but I want y'all to comment down below. Do you have a dishwasher or are you the dishwasher? Obviously, I'm the dishwasher in our house because we do not have a dishwasher. And I also don't have a space to put in a dishwasher. So I've gotten used to it now. And I kind of like do it as a game to see how fast I can get my dishes done.
Even when it is great, babe. Every time I'm feeling down, you can make it go away. Your light is shining bright on me. Got no reason to be afraid. You're glowing in the dark. You're glowing in the dark. Glowing in the dark. I feel it in my heart. You're glowing in the dark. Glowing in the dark. Yeah, you're glowing in the dark.
Y'all, do y'all see that little washcloth underneath my refrigerator? Why? It's photobombing my shot right now. Anyways, a lot of you asked me about the music on these videos. I get all of my music from Epidemic Sound. It is like a Spotify, so it's $15 a month to be able to use the music. But I think if you just want to listen to the music, then it's probably free. But if you want to download it and use it in your videos, then it is $15 a month. And I think it's totally worth it.
You're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark, yeah, you're glowing in the dark.
And now to move on to never-ending laundry. So I'm just gonna try my best to do the same thing I do with my groceries and try to get all of these in one go. It never happens, but I always try. I'm so proud of myself. Anyways, let's get to folding these. Side note, I did not fold that little blue basket of laundry yet. So everything in moderation, y'all. It's okay. I did get one load folded, and I washed and dried another load while I was filming this video, so I am very happy.
You got me feeling kinda crazy. You got me feeling like my head is spinning round. The way you look is so amazing, amazing. I could stare into your eyes for hours and hours. Everything is kinda hazy. We're just dancing in the dark in the flashing lights. I know you can't hear what I'm saying, so I'm just gonna hold you closer.
So if you missed yesterday's video, I uploaded a grocery haul, and it was a budget grocery haul, which is fun. So I tried to see how much we could save on groceries, and we ended up spending only $82, which is really cool for a week for 2 people and a dog. So if you want to check that out after this video, you can. I'll also have some like cleaning motivation at the end of this video as well. I have a ton of cleaning videos on this channel because that's mainly what this channel is. But I hope y'all have enjoyed this video so far. We've still got the bathroom to do. I'm going to be scrubbing the floor and scrubbing my nasty toilet, so stay tuned for that. But I did want to share that I will have more grocery hauls like the one I did yesterday once a week for y'all, so you get a little break in between the cleaning motivation.
I don't know how you do it to me, but you make me wanna fly. I'm not coming down. Maybe it's the way you move, babe, move, babe. You've got that body and that smile, make my head spin round. I'll hold you close to me. You're all I Feels like you set my whole world on fire. I know I want you, I know I need you here. You're Robin.
So most of my cleaning, I just use a washcloth, but I do like using these little Clorox wipes for the bathroom. It just makes me feel a little bit better. But I do try my best to use washcloths and stuff like that for all my other cleaning. But for the bathroom, I am starting to use these little disposable wipes, so I don't have to think about, oh, did I use this washcloth on the toilet and now I'm about to wash my face with it? Anyways, that is my thinking method there. Also, I am using this brush thing to clean the toilet. Y'all, I know it's weird, but I just feel like the other one, the wand, like it just gets so nasty. So this one, I just gonna use it and then I'm gonna rinse it off in the shower. Also, I'm using the Comet for the toilet, which is okay to use on your toilets. I did make sure on the back. I didn't want to be putting the Comet powder stuff in my porcelain toilet and then it mess up my toilet, but it is totally okay. Also, I saw something the other day. It was a Fabuloso. Somebody cut a hole in it. It was a TikTok cleaning thing. They cut a hole in it and they turned it upside down and put it in their tank, so that every time they flush, their toilet has that clean, fresh smell. I don't know. What are y'all thoughts on that? Would you do that? I'm kind of like, I don't know if I should do that or not. This is a new toilet. But I mean, it did seem pretty awesome because it seems like you wouldn't have to clean your inside of your toilet as much because the cleaning product is in the tank. But I also worry that it may like erode the like rubber and stuff that's in your tank. You know what I mean? So let me know your thoughts on that. If I should do that, if you would do that, let me know.
You're my melody. Don't let it fade away. You're my melody. Don't let it fade away. You've got what I want. Take it on. I'll be waiting for you to sweep me off my feet to a different beat. Oh, just say you want. I follow every sound. Just say you want. I won't let you down. So we can dance through the night. Keep it tight. You're my melody. No, we don't need to think twice. It's alright. You're my melody. You're my melody. Don't let it fade away. You're my melody. Don't let it fade away.
So I'm just rinsing off my brush now, and then once it's dry, I will spray it with a disinfectant spray. That way it kills all the germs that could be on there from when I was using it to clean my toilet. But I will say that I'm only going to be using this for my toilets now, so they won't like cross-contaminate anything, if you know what I mean. But I did want to say thank you so much for watching today's cleaning video, and I hope to see you back here again for the next cleaning video. I'm just going to put these two things away, wash my hands, safety first, and I will see y'all back here very soon with another video. If you want to see more videos from me, stay tuned to the end, because there will be an end screen where you can click to subscribe. You can click to watch the other cleaning videos I have, or you can subscribe to my other channel if you want to, which is about gardening and vlogs. So I'll see y'all back here very soon. Bye!
You make me winner. You cut me loose and set me free.